Alright, hi YouTube, this is Yu94CN here with a new diaporama of my Yu-Gi-Oh cards that I need. So first, I need 2 Botanical Gardens from the Crossroads of Chaos, 2 Queens of Thorns from, again, the Crossroads of Chaos, 1 Mark of the Rose, 1 Seed of Flame, 2 Tempest Magicians, I absolutely need that, 1 Nitro Synchron, 1 Nitro Warrior, not from the tin, the real one. 1 Stardust Dragon from the Duelist Genesis, not from the tin. 2 Goyo Gardens, not from the tin. Well, yeah, from the tin I don't mind. Goyo Gardens can be from the tin or from the Duelist Genesis. 1 Tapu Lara's from the Duelist Genesis. 1 Mirror Force can be from the booster packs coming from the Gold Series, or the Metal Raiders, or the Dark Beginnings. So, and Mirror Force, I don't care. So that's it. Thanks for watching, everyone. Bye.